Jem. Congrats, finally.
Wow.
Lover! Spaghetti pababa na.
Uy, ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam step yung gago. Ito sa'yo, nanay. And then, sa'yo ito, tatay.
Pag nila siguro to.
Kaya mo yung...
Ikaw na lang.
Rose Ann, do you take Christian here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
O pag-ibig na makapangyarihan, kapag pumasok sa puso ni numan, hahamakin ang lahat. Masunod ka lamang.
When I'm gone, you need love to light the shadows on.
Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. I thank God dahil sa murang edad pa lang, natagpuan ko na yung forever ko, yung the one ko. Until now, I still recall yung moment nung first time na nakita tayo na madaling araw sa police station para to confess our feelings sa isa't isa. Grabe, grabe, sobrang saya ng feeling na yun. Mula nun, hindi na ito pinakawalan pa. Wala eh, ang ganda mo. Nahulog ako. For 13 years, ang dami na natin pinagdaanan. And I thank you for always being there by my side sa lahat ng wins, and lalong-lalo na yung panahong down na down ako. Panahong gusto ko nang sumuko, panahong nawala na ako ng pag-asa. Pero nandiyan ka sa likod ko, nakayakap, at bumubulong na, kaya mo yan, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Yung mga salitang yun ang tumulong sa akin para bumangon muli. At dahilan kung bakit nakamit ko kung ano man meron ako ngayon. Alam ko hindi madali ang buhay, pero lahat yun kakayanin, kasi ikaw yung kasama ko. Thank you for loving me despite every imperfections and despite all the flaws that I have. There are times that I am very unlovable, but still, you choose to love and stay with me. I am very excited to spend the rest of my life with you, mahal. I can promise na hindi kita masasaktan or luluha dahil sa akin. Pero one thing is for sure, pinapangako ko sa tapat ng mga tao dito at sa tapat ng Diyos that I will always love you and choose you every day.
Run away with my heart. Run away with my love.
Dearest Mahal, who would have thought that my crush when I was 12 years old will be the one I will marry today? The first time I met you in high school, nag-stand out ka kagad. Tahimik, mysterious type, laging mukhang mabango, at mukhang alaga sa Johnson's baby powder. Kahit pawisan na. Kaya naman di mapagkakailang naging Mr. Step 2009 ka. But as I got to know you more, my admiration to you deepened. More than the good looks, I have seen your beautiful soul. Your heart is so pure. We started very immature, but I'm glad we grew up together. And in those years, many times, I'm the most difficult person to love. but He never gave up on me, not even once. Now that we will be entering this new chapter of our lives, I vow to take care of you, to organize your things dahil I'm sure may makakalimutan ka. I vow to submit to you and to trust and to support your decision for our family. I know our marriage will not be easy. We will experience pain, disappointments, failure, and even grief. But I vow to go through all those with you. Starting today, we will be a team. Together with God, may kahati ka na sa mga pagsubok ng buhay. I'll be here to be your companion, to be your confidant. Kampi tayo lagi. And I'm just so excited to build our own family. We can finally do whatever we want. We can go wherever we want. I will finally wake up beside you every day. And we'll have our non-stop late night conversations. I'm excited to dream and to make our dreams together. Mahal na mahal kita araw-araw.
Minamahal kong Rose Ann, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at ipangingatan ang singsing na ito, tanda ng aking pagiging at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo.
You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us.
Thank you so much for taking care of my sister. Ngayon, alam ko naman na she's in a good hand. Oh my God. Yung best friend ko na siya ngayon.
Tingin ko ang number one ng pag-aaway ng mag-asawa is yung pera. Yan. Tunay yan. Huwag kayong mag-aaway kahit sa pera. Kahit sabihin nyo ngayon na hindi kayo mag-aaway sa blah blah blah, pero dadating yung point na parang mainis ka na sa kanya. Dadating yun sa point na gano'n. Pero isipin nyo lang na bakit kayo na pinili nyo yung isa't isa.
I know this is the new chapter of your life. And kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng mga pangarap natin, ng mga plano natin sa buhay, alam mong nandito lang ako para sa'yo palagi.
Oh, you make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us.
Chan, alam mo naman, di ba? Sa'yo ko lang ibibigay si Rose Ann. Ayun, thank you for not giving up on my best friend kasi alam ko din na ito yung pinag-pray mo ng napakatagal. And thank you for sobrang honored talaga kaming lahat na makita yung kasal mo.
You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us. Oh, you make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of
sa mag-asawa. Pag di nag-aaway, hindi masaya. Kung wala kayong, para bang, ako tulang, alam ng asawa ko yan. Pag kami nag-aaway sa araw niyan, sa gabi, siguradong dibiya ko ng isa yan. Para magkahando kami kinabukasan.
Magmahalan kayo, yung kaunting problema, isang tabi lang nyo. Dahil kung didibdibin nyo yan, walang mangyayari sa buhay nyo. At saka maging, yung successful nyo sa pag-aasawa, umpisa pa lang yun.